Hello everyone, today is Friday and today we are back with another beautiful nugget from our Hindu mythology. And today we are going to talk all about the eternal word called Om and the importance of it. With me joined is my lovely and most beautiful mother, Mother Sudha Khandelwal. Ma, hi.
Hello, Shilpi.
And means with elders around, how can I speak anything right now? So I would request my mother to share her wisdom on the eternal word called Om, the beautiful word called Om. So mother, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the presentation and just let me know if you can see it. Can you see the presentation?
Yes, Shilpi.
All right. So please go ahead.
गीता इन एक्शन सीरीज आज के यूथ के लिए है। दैट्स वाई हमने ओम को बहुत सिंपल और इजी तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया है ताकि यूथ इजीली अपने जीवन में इसे उतार सके। इस कम टाइम के वीडियो में ओम का मीनिंग शेयर करना असंभव है, सो वी मेड इट वेरी प्रीशियस एंड सिंपल। So we made it very precise and simple. सृष्टि की उत्पत्ति ओम से हुई है, अतः ये सृष्टि का स्रोत है। इसे अनंतनाद और प्रणव भी कहते हैं। प्रणव प्राणों का आधार, अनंतनाद जो प्रत्येक के भीतर और ब्रह्मांड में अविरल गूंजता रहता है। ओम में 3 अक्षर हैं, आ, उ, म। ये तीनों अक्षर क्रमशः सृजन, पालना और लय के द्योतक हैं। ओम तीनों देवताओं ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश का संगम है। आ अक्षर का प्रभाव हमारे मूलाधार से मणिपुर चक्र तक है। उ अक्षर का प्रभाव मणिपुर से विशुद्धि चक्र तक है और मा अक्षर का प्रभाव कंठ से लेकर सिर तक पड़ता है। ओम में 3 अक्षर आ, उ, मा जो क्रमशः पेट, हृदय और मस्तिष्क पर प्रभाव डालते हैं, अतः उन अंगों से संबंधित रोग ठीक होते हैं। ये रिसर्च द्वारा सिद्ध किया जा चुका है। ओम के नियमित जाप से हृदय की शुद्धि होती है और मानसिक शांति प्रखर होती है, एकाग्रता बढ़ती है, विल पावर स्ट्रांग होती है, व्यक्ति के ऑरे में भी वृद्धि होती है। ओम का बर्बली उच्चारण कर रहे हैं तो हमारे अंदर वाइब्रेशन नहीं होगा, इसलिए फीलिंग के साथ और अवेयरनेस में ओम का जाप करें। हर श्वास में ओम ध्वनित होता है, उसके लिए एकांत और शांति की जरूरत। जैसे रात्रि में घड़ी की टिक टिक सुनते हैं, सृष्टि में ओम की ध्वनि सुनने का प्रयास करें। हिंदू धर्म में मंत्र which is related to God and Goddess started with Om, जैसे ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमो नारायणा, ओम वासुदेवाय नमः। It is my humble request, please ओम का जाप कम से कम 21 बार जरूर करें। Now शिल्पी।
All right, mother, so well said. Ki, everything starts with Om. Everything, I think ends also with Om. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go back to my presentation and ensure that I also start from the beginning, not from the end. All right. So thank you so much, Ma, for your wonderful wisdom. And now I will try my best to translate it in English. In English, we have some limitations of words. What we can explain so well in Hindi, English has its very limited vocabulary when we want to talk about infinite, about eternal truth, about something beyond our physical self. But as much as possible, I'll try my best to go ahead with it. So the universe is created by the word Om. Hence, it is the source of the universe, the primordial music of the universe. This is also called the Anantnath and Pranav. Anantnath is the continuous echoing of Om in our bodies as well as the universe. See how connected we are. But do we hear it? Not at all. And we'll tell you why we don't hear all this. And Pranav, that means Om is the baseline from where the entire universe actually was created, came into existence. Pranav is the baseline of Om. When you speak Om, when you chant Om, there's going to be the words called A, U, Ma that is pronounced. Like, we don't say Om, we say Om. And as we say the word Om, and if you would realize that somewhere from the gut area, from the belly region, the A words gets initiated, all right, of the Om sound, all right. And U comes from our heart region, all right. And the Ma is from mouth and our face region that it gets initiated. So the entire chakras or entire energy flow is very strong from these three fronts. And as you know that Aum is also the Sangam of the three lords, the Vishnu, the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. That means the creator, the preserver, and the destroyer. So everything exists within this word called Om. It is so beautiful because when we are talking about our life and when we are talking about how we can sustain this to eternity, it is only through living the vibrational energy that we realize how strong we can be if we keep on chanting the word Om. And this Om can be heard not in the noise that we have around us, not in the materialistic world that we have laden ourselves with. It can be heard in a lot of places like the stillness of the night and of course the beautiful silence that we have in the nighttime. I forgot to share with you that as we speak or chant Om, there is an impact on the three regions of our body, specifically the stomach, the brain, and the heart. And if you want to be healthy, you know that these three can really be like life givers to you. Anything going wrong anywhere is really something that we cannot handle. But if you want to empower it, purify it, cleanse the energy around it, then do chant the mantra Om. This is how powerful it is. And as I already shared, that the stillness of the night actually helps us to keep on reminiscing about the word Om. In fact, they say the Brahma Muhurat is the best time to really sit down on a mat and chant this word Om continuously. Not only that, most of our mantras like Om Namah Shivaya, Om Vasudevaya, Om Narayana, all starts with the word Om, the creator of everything. And I, as a person who understands what productivity and how hectic the lifestyle is today, I would request each one of you to at least chant the word, the mantra Om for 21 times and with feelings. If you don't do it with feelings and awareness, there'll be no vibration. It'll be like mechanical. We'll be robots. So with feelings, I would request, sit down in a calm place in the Brahma Muhurat, 4 o'clock, 4:30 a.m. when the universe is so still, so beautiful, ozone layer is nearest to the earth, and you get the wonderful vibration of purity. And when you're chanting this mantra Om continuously, consistently every day, not that one day you will see the difference, consistently, and you will get the benefits of being one with the good Lord himself. So Mother, do you have anything to share about Om?
You explained very nicely, Shilpi, in English.
Okay, so thank you, Mother. You are so encouraging as always. It's only because of your push I'm sitting today. Fantastic, Ma. So what I would suggest everyone is, please do like, subscribe our channel, because we come with Hindu, nuggets from our mythology, from our great, beautiful mystic culture that we have. This should not get hidden because we did not have the time to talk about it or discuss about it. All right. So please share it in your network. Please understand there's more to it, as Mother suggested. There's so much more to Om, but because of the paucity of time, we have just kept it as simple as possible. So thank you so much. And Ma, we will meet again next Friday with another nugget.
Yes, Shilpi. Yes, Shilpi.
Perfect. Thank you so much. God bless and see you soon.